Hey everyone, I'm Serge from Trezor Support. If your Trezor isn't showing up in Trezor Suite, don't worry. There's usually a quick fix. Today, I'll walk you through a few simple troubleshooting steps to get your device recognized and working again. Before we get into the real stuff, go ahead and restart your computer. You'd be surprised how often that does the trick. One of the top reasons your Trezor isn't showing up, a wonky cable or a loose connection. Just because the screen lights up doesn't mean the cable's doing its full job. Historically, this most often happens with the Model 1, but it can happen with any device. So ensure to check this first, just to make sure. If you've still got the original cable, go with that. If not, grab a solid USB data cable, just to steer clear of those sneaky charge-only ones. They'll power your Trezor, sure, but without data transfer, your computer's blind to it. Lost the original and want to play it safe? You can always grab an official replacement from our eShop. Totally optional, but it guarantees a trusted, data-capable cable. Plug the cable into your computer and then plug the cable into your Trezor device. If you still can't connect your Trezor to your computer, try a different USB port. Using a hub or adapter, bypass it and plug straight into your computer. Still not showing up? No stress, we've got more tricks up our sleeve. Open the app, head to Settings, Application, and see if there's an update waiting for you. If there is, go ahead and install it. Then, restart the app for good measure. Every now and then, a tiny software glitch can mess with your Trezor connection. Good news, a quick reset usually sorts it out. If you're on the desktop version of Trezor Suite, open it up, head to Settings, Application, and hit Reset App next to App Storage. Then restart the app and give it another go. Using the web version instead, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Or better yet, pop it open in an incognito window and see if that does the trick. Still no luck, no problem, let's keep going. Sometimes, background services like VPN, firewall, antivirus, or even browser extensions can get in the way. Try temporarily switching off any VPNs or security software you've got running. Using privacy tools like AdBlock or Privacy Badger, hit pause on those two and see if that helps. For extra peace of mind, you can also whitelist Trezor Suite in your firewall or antivirus settings to make sure nothing's blocking it. Once that's sorted, restart Trezor Suite and try connecting your Trezor again. Fingers crossed, that might just do the trick. If you're using Windows and your Trezor still isn't recognized, you may need to install a tool called Zadig, which helps install the correct USB drivers. Here's how to install it. Download Zadig from this link, which you can also find in the description of this video. Run the Zadig USB drivers application on your computer. Put your Trezor in bootloader mode. This process differs slightly by device. You can find the instructions below this video. Open Zadig, click Options, and select List All Devices. Look for a device named Unknown Device Number 1, or something similar. To the right of the green arrow, choose libUSB from the list. Click Install Driver or Replace Driver, and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, close Zadig and restart your computer. Unplug your Trezor, open Trezor Suite, then plug your Trezor back in. At this point, it's a good idea to test your Trezor on another computer. If your Trezor works on another device, but not on your main computer, then something on that system, like security software or a USB setting, might be blocking the connection. Still no luck getting your Trezor recognized? No worries, we've got your back. Just head over to trezor.io/support and reach out. Our friendly team is always ready to help you sort things out. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.